Big, medium, or small? Ready to find out which is the best?
Let's do this! Wow!
This is so cool!
Whoa! I've never seen such a tiny jug of gunpowder. I'm gonna try to blow a bubble.
Awesome! Now it's my turn! So yummy! Check out my bubble!
Let me show you how it's done. Here I go!
Careful! Don't overdo it!
I think it's too late for that.
Wow! That was so cool! Awesome!
Let's keep going. Wow! What a huge barrel! Looks like I got the biggest one.
Can I go first? Awesome! Let's see what we've got here. Wow! Time to try this candy!
Uh-oh.
Man, my poor tongue!
Gosh, now I'm scared. Ugh.
Hey, you have to eat more.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
I think it's kicking in.
Oh my.
This is so sour. That is not funny.
Relax. Leave it to me.
What is that for?
Sit still.
My face is back to normal. Thanks.
Looks like there's one contestant left.
Do I really have to do this?
Oh yeah.
All right, here I go.
More, come on!
Go, 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 go!
I can do this. Look, I ate it all.
Awesome! Huh?
It's too much for me. Ah!
What?
Grr, me angry.
Ah, I'm scared!
Whoa, I'm strong and green.
What? That's still just Cody.
Let's go. Wow. These are my favorite Doritos. And it looks like I'm the luckiest one here.
Wow, that looks delicious.
Let's try one.
Whoa, I've never seen Doritos this big. Well, too bad I got the smallest ones. Man, are you kidding me?
Haha, look at that!
You guys are so mean.
Man, she's really upset.
Sucks to be her.
I think I can help. Press this.
Huh? What's happening?
Now you can start eating.
Cool, thanks. So delicious.
Easy peasy. Whoa, are you okay?
I don't think so.
Huh, what do you have there?
Whoa!
Hey, where are you going?
Phew, I feel much better.
Well, I finally get to eat too. Huh, where did my Doritos go?
Hey there!
That was mine!
Sorry.
Ready? Let's go! Looks like we have noodles this time.
Awesome! I love noodles!
Me too, huh? Oh no! They're spicy!
Darn it!
Haha, good thing I got the small portion.
Then you start.
Easy! Let's get to it! What a long noodle!
You okay?
More than okay. See? I finished.
Aren't they spicy?
These? Not for me. I'm a tough guy. Man, that burns. Why aren't you guys eating?
Okay, you first.
Well, let's begin.
What are you doing?
Good manners are always important.
Whatever.
Now I need to sanitize my hands.
I've had enough. Open your mouth.
Hey!
That's how you do it.
Oh no.
Watch out! Whoa, that was close.
Whoops! Sorry.
Man,
Your turn. Yep.
why me?
This is gonna be fun.
Oh, yeah.
Look, what's that over there?
Where?
Now I'm gonna make these noodles hotter.
Huh?
Mwahaha! Get down! And just like that, the noodles are gone. Moving on. Wow. I love Baskin Robbins!
Aw, what a cute little portion. This spoon is way too big.
Don't worry, I have exactly what you need.
That's so cool, thanks! I hope I can do this.
Well, is it good?
Oh yeah, very.
Why is it taking so long? I'm not waiting for her. Time to dig in. Mmm, so tasty. Oh no, I have a brain freeze. Man, that was painful.
You should have seen yourself.
I have an idea. Time to melt this dessert. Perfect. And let's add some crunchy toppings too. Much better. Let's try it. Mmm. Oh yeah.
That was smart. Well, my turn. Actually pretty good.
Careful. You shouldn't eat so fast.
Oh no, I'm freezing!
Uh-oh. Hey, look at her, quick!
Sorry, I'm busy.
Seriously? Come on, she needs help.
Fine. Group hug!
Oh, okay.
The warmth of friendship will save you! Whoa!
It worked! Thanks, guys! 1, 2, 3, go!
Whoa, cool! Now that's a portion.
Wow! Man, I got the smallest one! That's it. Seriously?
Pathetic. Watch and weep.
Talk about bad luck. Whatever.
Wow.
Drop right in here!
Oh, come to daddy, you delicious thing. Mmm, yummy.
Oops!
Hey, where are you? Where did my candy go?
No idea.
I didn't see anything. Time to eat these treats. All right, let's get to it. Wait, I have an idea. Let's take a few more bowls and separate the candies by color. Reds go here, greens go here, and done. Perfect.
Why did you even do that?
Don't you know what it's like to be a perfectionist?
Good thing I'm not like that.
Will you share with me, please?
Ha! No.
Greedy! Then I'll get some candy myself. Let's just make a little hole. Awesome! It's working!
Hey, where did my candies go?
I don't know what you're talking about.
so weird! How could that happen?
Hi, everyone! I hope you're hungry. I cooked up something special. Here you go.
Yummy!
I can't wait to try it. I'm so hungry. I'm looking forward to this.
Ooh, what's this? It's so exciting. Huh? That's it?
My turn.
This is more like it.
There's more. I'm happy with this.
Wow, you're lucky. Let's see what I've got. Ooh, it's heavy. Come on!
I don't believe it!
That's what I'm talking about. Whoa, where are we?
I have a good feeling about this.
I wonder what this is. I'm gonna go first. Wow, I got soda! My favorite. It looks good. I'm gonna try it. Hang on. It's wobbling. It's Jello!
Whoa, take it easy, Brian.
It's the Jello! Here goes! Whoa, it's yummy! I want more! I'm so happy. I can't stop eating. I could do this all day. I enjoyed every bite. Uh-oh.
Oh, that's disgusting. You need mouthwash.
I've got mints right here.
No! Don't do it!
Ugh, I guess you're right.
Okay, it's my turn. Ooh, Jello blocks. And there's something inside. Wow, it's fruit. It looks delicious. It's like building blocks. That gives me an idea. I'll stack them up. Just like this. I made a pyramid. Look at it. I deserve this. It's really squishy. I love it. I'm gonna try the rest. They're great. I've never had anything like it. My compliments to the chef. I've just got one block left. I'm gonna savor it. Who am I kidding? Get in my mouth. And I'm done. Over to you. Whew. I've been waiting for this. Marshmallows? Whoa. It's mesmerizing. Ooh. I don't feel so good.
Luna? Snap out of it!
Whoa. That was weird.
You had me worried.
What just happened? What am I gonna do with these? Wait. I have an idea. I'll need candy. I'll add it to a bowl. Then pour in hot water. This'll dissolve it. Now for the marshmallows. This is the fun part. Up you go! Right on target. Now I need to mix them together. It's gonna be gooey. That's just what I want. I'll put it into a bowl. I don't want to spill any. I'll put it into the fridge. Wow, that looks great. I'll roll it. It's like a sushi roll. This'll be yummy. I better chop it up. I want bite-sized pieces. Wow, look at that. I'm looking forward to this. I'll give it a try. Whoa, it's great. I'm a genius. Wait, something's happening. Oh, what was that?
Wow. Nice! Who's going first?
Me, please? No way! It's a cotton candy tower! This is my lucky day. Hold on. I need to think about this. No, this isn't gonna work. It's too big. I'll squash it. Phew, this is tough. That's better. I'll give it a roll. That's much better. Now I can eat it. Trick shot. Got it. I enjoy that. What are you waiting for?
My turn. Oh, wow. This looks fancy. I got cookies. This is a good start. Wait. Double cookies. Why didn't I think of this before? I'll need the piping bag. I have big plans. I'll add the frosting to this disc. I only need a small blob. Then I can stick the cookie to it. It needs to be secure. Then I'll add more frosting. I'll spin the cookie. Now I'll put another cookie on top. This just gets better and better. I'll need more frosting. I need to cover it. It's gonna be a masterpiece. I feel like an artist. I'll go all the way around the sides. That should do it. Now I can smooth it out. I'm enjoying this. It's relaxing. Looking good. I'll put it onto a plate. I need to add the small details. I'll make little peaks. Wow, I'm in the zone. I should do this professionally. My work here is done. What do you think? It looks good, huh? Wait, I almost forgot. I'll add a candle. I hope this works. Whoa, I did it! I'm a magician! Time to make a wish. I wished for a tasty cake. I hope it comes true. There's only one way to find out. This is so exciting. Wow, it's amazing!
Okay, I guess I'm up. Let's see what I've got. A boring cake. But I can make it better. I'll need marshmallows. These'll solve everything. I need to cut it. I won't go all the way through. Now for the tricky part. I'll fold and twist the marshmallows. I want to make a flower petal. Like this. I need to color it. I'll dip it into candy. I'll lay it on the cake. And add the finishing touches. It looks so pretty. It'd be a shame to eat it. But I'm gonna. What the? Hey! Get out of here! Shoo! Beat it! Go away, bees! Huh? Where's my cake? It's gone! Where did it go?
The bees.
Are you kidding me? How could they?
This is awkward. Ready to do this?
Allow me.
I got a donut. A plain old donut. That's disappointing. But I can fix this. I know what to do. I'll dip it into frosting. I want to cover it. Then I'll dip it into sprinkles. Every donut needs them. Oh yeah. Now that's a donut. And it's all mine. I can't wait. It's so good. It's fantastic. I'll go next. An apple? Is this a joke? What am I supposed to do with this? Oh, I've got it. Watch this. I'll need cookie cutters. I want to cut circles out of the apple. I want to make a donut shape. I can take these out. I'll eat this piece later. Next, I'll smear peanut butter over it. This'll make it tastier. Then I'll add chocolate. Chocolate makes everything better. Wow, look at that. I just made apples even tastier. It's so cute. Let's see how it tastes. Oh wow! It's tasty. Jealous, Brian? Whoa! That looked good. Let's see what's under this. I hit the jackpot! That's not fair! I don't make the rules. A perfect donut. I'm looking forward to this. I wasn't expecting that. It's okay, I guess. I know how to improve it. I'll need a pump. I'll make it even bigger. Here goes. What's the worst that can happen? Oh, it's working! Look at this! Maybe stop there, Brian. Put the pump down. Relax, it's all under control. It's a jumbo donut. Smells good. This is gonna be awesome. That was one delicious challenge. What food would you supersize? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.